Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Churn Rate and Customer Classification Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps you identify churn risks and classify customers based on tenure, deal size, payment type, and engagement levels, enabling proactive retention strategies. For example, when you filter by tenure or deal size, you can see how many customers haven't placed an order in the last 6 months, how churn rate varies, and which product categories have the highest or lowest active customer counts. Like this, you can target re-engagement efforts, prioritize high-risk accounts, and tailor your customer management strategy for maximum retention and growth.